Welcome to the SimpliSafe Smart Lock Setup Guide, the only guide you'll need. In 60 seconds, we'll pair your lock, configure settings, and test access. Start by installing fresh batteries and leaving the door unlocked during setup. Open the SimpliSafe app, sign in, then tap Devices at the bottom. Choose Add Device, select Smart Lock, and follow the app prompts. Press and hold the lock's pairing button until the LED flashes blue. Back in the app, confirm the lock name and Bluetooth pairing request. Watch the progress indicator as the app verifies connection and firmware checks complete. Calibrate the lock by following the guided motor runs until alignment finishes. Name the door location, choose auto lock timing, and enable secure unlock features. Create guest codes or timed access and invite household members through the app. All set. Lock and unlock from your phone now and confirm physical handle function.